Get ready to join me on an unforgettable 10-day journey to the enchanting land of Kerala, India. From hidden waterfalls to charming tea towns and majestic temples, every moment is packed with breathtaking beauty and thrilling adventures. Let's dive into this incredible experience together.
Kanthanpara Waterfall, Kerala, one of the neat and easiest accessible waterfall in Wayanad. Small waterfall with a shallow pool popular for swimming, family picnics and natural scenery. Kanthanpara Waterfalls is situated around 22 kilometers from Kalpetta in Wayanad district. It is a quaint little waterfall in Wayanad.
Kerala. Tea-town Wayanad is spread across our 5 estates in Wayanad. Starting point for activities is at a Chore estate on the bank of Main Road. Nice ride along with the tea plantation, with a very soothing view all along. The place is full of greenery. Also there is trekking site. Planting of tea bushes commenced in 1896 and continued almost uninterrupted until 1902. Tea-town Wayanad comprises of 5 tea estates with tea in bearing area of 25 hectares and 4 factory. We've traveled in our own vehicles. Traveling in our own vehicle allows a lot of feasibility and access to enjoy the view as we want it. Nearest airport is Kozhikode International Airport, 80 kilometers away. From the airport one can take a cab to reach Tea-town Kerala at Achor, Wayanad. Kozhikode is the nearest rail link at 70 kilometers away. From the railway station one can take a cab or else take a bus from the KSRTC stand to the nearest town at Vithiri Chundale and then take a local transport. Check into Tea-town Wayanad and experience the range of activities within beautiful tea plantations.
Vishnu on the side of Brahmagiri Hill in Kerala, India, near the border with Karnataka state. The temple is at an altitude of about 900 meters in North Wayanad, in a valley surrounded by mountains and beautiful forests. It is 32 kilometers away from Manathavadi. Thirunelli Temple, located in the forest region of Brahmagiri, is known as the Kashi of South, owing to its religious significance. The temple is often compared to Gaya in Bihar and is famous for the rituals conducted for the departed souls. The temple is surrounded by mountains and beautiful forests. History depicts Chira King Kuleskaran as the founder of this temple. We have also visited the backside of temple. Vishnu and Shiva are all capable of giving boons and curses. But out of the 3, Shiva and Brahma get pleased or angry very easily. For this I got to tell the whole story of Tirumala and why is Tirumala and Lord Venkateswara so famous. In the starting age of Kaliyug, sage Bhrigu Maharshi wanted to test Tridif, so first he went to Lord Brahma. Lord Brahma was deeply drowned in the music playing by Mata Saraswati, so sage got angry and cursed Lord Brahma that in this Kali age also Lord Brahma won't be worshipped. Sage Bhrigu Maharshi has a third eye in his feet which is full of ego. Then he goes to Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva and Mata Parvati were in a flow in the dance, though Lord Shiva noticed Bhrigu Maharshi. Then Lord Shiva was dancing and asked Bhrigu Maharshi to wait through dance steps. Sage Bhrigu Maharshi didn't notice that Lord Shiva asked him to wait, and he got angry and cursed Lord Shiva that in this Kali age also he will be worshipped in the form of linga. Lord Vishnu was resting on Sheshnag and Mata Lakshmi was serving Lord Vishnu's feet as usual. Then Sage Bhrigu Maharshi thought everyone is chilling with their beloved wives and ran to Lord Vishnu and kicked his chest, and Sage's feet got hurt. Mata Lakshmi was angry on Bhrigu Maharshi and wanted Lord Vishnu to destroy Sage. But Lord beautiful hanging bridge connecting both the banks, all set in the middle of beautiful landscape of forests and oil palm plantations. If you are planning a trip to Atharapalli Vajachal, plan a stop over here and you will not regret it. Thumburmaji Hanging Bridge and Dam is located in Chalakudi on the way to Atharapalli Waterfalls. Thumburmaji Dam has almost everything to spice up your holidays: the dam, a butterfly garden, hanging bridge, and children's park. This natural habitat of the butterflies is believed to consist of almost all the species of butterflies in the world. If you are looking for time away from the noisy and monotonous schedule of yours to rest in the midst of greenery with serene surroundings, then Thumburmaji is the place for you.
We explored Tomankathu Waterfalls in Kerala, India. In and amidst a dense jungle, we tasted local honey and admired stunning wooden tree-top homes. We drank fresh, pure water straight from the jungle. By peaceful, beautiful waterfalls, an unforgettable trekking adventure.
Tomankathu Falls form a series of small pools where you can swim and relax. Some places also offer boating facilities, and you might even get to enjoy fishing here. Tomankathu Waterfalls is one of the premier adventure spots in the area. The authorities organize trekking expeditions to cover the entire 12 kilometers length. The trail passes by caves and weirdly shaped trees and low branches. And if you're lucky, you can even encounter animals during the trek. Saint Alphonsa Muttathupandathu. She is the first woman of Indian origin to be canonized as a saint after decades of inquiry by the Sacred Congregation for the Causes of Saints. She is also the first saint of the Syro-Malabar Church, an Eastern Catholic community of Eastern Christianity. A rosary and Bible in hands. The feast day of Saint Alphonsa Muttathupandathu on July 28 is an appropriate time to take a closer look at this saint. Fort Kochi, Fort Cochin. Kochi in Ernakulam district of Kerala is the first European township in India. Chinese fishing nets along the Vasco da Gama Square, Santa Cruz Basilica, St. Francis Church, VOC Gate, Bastion Bungalow etc. are some of the major attractions in Fort Kochi. Kochi is known for its Dutch, Portuguese, and British colonial architecture and elaborate bamboo fishing nets at Fort Kochi Beach. Fort Kochi makes for the perfect holiday destination in Kerala, a relaxing and enchanting spot in the city, hugely crowded on weekends and very popular amongst the locals and tourists. It's a serene beach that offers a scenic view and natural beauty to its visitors. With its pristine water and tranquil ambience, it is extremely admired by tourists and local people as well. If you are bored with the hustle and bustle of the city, then this beach is a perfect getaway for you. Foodies can find several restaurants and eating joints that offer delicious cuisines. Hence, Fort Kochi Beach has become a retreat for visitors of different part of the world. Cherai Beach Ernakulam, very clean beach near Kochi with lots of options of shacks and seafood water sports. Famous for the rustic images of Chinese fishing nets from its sands, Cherai is one of the most visited beaches in Kochi. The seashells on Cherai Beach are unique and swimmers have been known to run into dolphins in the waters. The place is a unique combination of sea and backwaters rimmed by lush green coconut palms and paddy fields. The backwaters are a combination of lakes, lagoons, canals and estuaries. The 15 kilometers long golden beach of Cherai in Kerala is very clean, shallow and is ideal for swimming, surfing and sunbathing.
Kerala, where magic begins. 900 Kandy is a forest situated in Wayanad district, Kerala. The route was good. The abundance of sceneries, breathtaking surroundings and calm weather. In the deep reaches of Wayanad in Kerala, there is a lush green paradise where adventure meets serenity. With its towering trees, rolling hills and canopy of clouds, 900 Kandy in Wayanad is an enchantress. Here, you just waltz into the sky. At 900 Kandy, the magic begins. In this pristine patch of land, life flows at its own gentle rhythm. Thalayaram in local parlance means 900 in Kandy means a patch of land. Here, as far as the eye can see, there is only a verdant green expanse. 900 Kandy has a rare mystery to it. For those with a head for heights, this is the place to be. 900 acres is just unspoiled greenery. The adventure zone created in the midst of the woods offers you a plethora of adrenaline-triggering activities. The journey begins with an off-road trip, taking you on a whirlwind of a ride through the woods. En route, you chance upon glorious waterfalls, bewitching swamps, and angelic locations. After a ride, weaving through the mystic woods, you reach the seat of adventure. The glass bridge at this spot is noted for the skywalk it offers. It lets you walk right into the sky and stare into the panoramic tapestry of blue and green. The walk is itself a heady experience, and for those few minutes when you are on the glass bridge, you feel truly one with nature. If you are still up for an adventure, you must amble up the magnificent treehouse that looks as if it scrapes the sky. 900 Kandy also offers a host of trekking options. For those who want to experience the beauty of this wild paradise, the best way is to be on foot. There is no adventure greater than hiking through this green wonderland to discover 900 Kandy's matchless beauty. Nestled in the deep forest of Wayanad lies this unique patch of pristine forest cum eco park. We are talking about the green paradise. The footwalk was good. The abundance of sceneries, breathtaking surroundings, and calm weather. After a less than half-an-hour ride, we crossed Mapati and entered to the Suchipara Waterfalls Road. It was a different off-road adventure. I really enjoyed, and definitely go to 900 Kandy. 900 Kandy is a unique location with lush greenery and spectacular valley views. It not only is a destination for activity lovers but also will engage people who look for a peaceful time in the mountains.
And had incredible experiences, all of which I've shared through my videos. If you want to check them out, head over to my playlist and go to the vlog section. Wrap on our incredible road trip. Thank you for joining us and celebrating the magic of the journey, not just the destination. If you enjoyed this adventure, give us a thumbs up, share your favorite moments in the comments, and subscribe for more exciting travels. Until next time, keep exploring and cherish every moment.